Meaning of Horatio Alger.
Horatio Alger.
Horatio Alger.
Horatio Alger.
Horatio Alger. Horatio Alger was an American writer who produced more than 100 novels in the late 19th century. His works, known as rags to riches stories, followed a similar narrative where a young protagonist rises from poverty to wealth through hard work and determination. The term Horatio Alger has since come to represent the idea of the American dream, where anyone can achieve success regardless of their background or circumstances. It is often used to describe a person who has overcome difficult odds to achieve success and prosperity.